this video, I'm going to share how to build a referral-based business and the 8 elements for a reliable stream of referrals. These 8 elements are going to be game changers for your referral marketing business, no matter where you are in your business journey. So let's jump in. Hi, I'm Maile Collmer, Master Referral Coach, and building business through relationships and referrals is my passion. I started on this journey when I was selling real estate, and I found that the best source of business are referrals. The first element in a referral-based business is what I call the foundation. And the foundation is really understanding some key elements about the strategy of proactive referral marketing. And this is building key relationships who will send you a steady stream of business. So it's all about identifying who are those key referral sources for you and developing those referral relationships. Understanding that you have a great referral network and there's all these people who could send you referrals, but we're going to be proactive and focused on the specific people who can send you referral business over and over and over. And we want to bring those folks into your inner circle. The second element for a reliable stream of referrals is you. And what I mean by this is you are who people are going to refer. So you need to know what makes you unique, relevant, and likable to your ideal client and to your referral sources. One of the things I work on with my clients is what we call our emotionally charged connection. That's your why, that story behind why you are so passionate and your unique value you bring to your clients in how you serve them. So an emotionally charged connection is simply your background story that shows your value and connects emotionally with your ideal client because they have a desire and need for that element that you bring that will help them solve their problem, and you are the one to do it. In sales, in marketing, when you can connect emotionally to that prospect, you can build a great client and a loyal client, and you can convert your sales so much faster. And this is how we also create advocates. So your referral sources will be so passionate about referring you over all the other people who do what you do because of your unique value. The third element is your target market. It's really important to have a clear target market. These are the people, the type of client, it could be a consumer or a business, the type of client that is your ideal client. We want to be clear on this because who we are marketing our business towards makes a difference. It allows us to know where we need to be, who we need to connect with, how we relay that message, and we can spend our time the most effective way being in the right place with the right people who have influence and who are your best clients. The fourth element is your people. The value you bring to your network is your network. So let's strategically grow your network. You want to build your network wide and you want to build it deep. What do I mean by that? You want to know a lot of people because then you can refer those people to people in your inner circle, your referral team. And you also want to have deep relationships with those key people you bring to your inner circle. The higher level trust you have in any and all of the relationships in your network will allow you to be able to give better referrals, to be able to receive better referrals, to be able to make incredible connections and make incredible introductions. So having it wide so you know enough people and having it deep so you have great trusted relationships is key to a really strong referral-based business. I have more of these 8 elements to share with you, but before I get into the next point, hey, hit the subscribe button. If you're serious about building your business to be a referral-based business, I have so much more to share with you. And in more of my videos, you're gonna go deeper in each of these 8 elements I'm sharing today. So hit subscribe and let's continue our journey of building your business. The 5th element to building a referral-based business are your activities. So this is a networking scorecard that I use with my clients. And this is full of activities that you can do, proactive referral activities that cause referrals to happen. And the great thing about these activities is that they are enjoyable to do. Ever hate cold calling? Well, this is the opposite. This is where you get to help people. So all of these are relationship building activities and giving activities. So they are fun and enjoyable to do. And when done strategically with the right people, it will produce consistent referrals for your business. Element 6 is equipping your people. What do I mean by that? This means you've got that referral team chosen, or at least there's people that you're working with on referrals, and you're in an active referral relationship. But they need to know things about you and your business to become an even better referral source for you. So we want to equip your people with the things they know that are going to help them build your referral business. Things like, what are conversation starters? So this is a proactive way of having your referral team help you. How can they start a conversation on your behalf? And do they know how to speak about you and your business in ways that make you look great and show your value to that potential prospect? So we want to equip our people with the right referral resources to help them easily send us that business. Our 7th element is all about supporting our referral marketing. Referral marketing might be your number one focus in how you decide to build your business. And we can't forget all those other great marketing strategies and marketing resources that can help support our referral marketing strategy. What does that mean? For example, one of the things that I do to help market my business are speaking engagements. So when I go out and speak, I can get in front of more people, expand my audience, expand my reach, and help more people know about me and my business. I did like 72 speaking engagements the year before the pandemic, all live and in person. And each and every one of those speaking engagements came by way of referral. So it's an easy way to get in front of more people who want to hear your message. And there's other things that we do. We do social media, and there are ways that we can enhance our social media that supports our referral marketing plan. There's other things that we do in our business. It might be newsletters, it could be an email campaign, it could be speaking, it could be doing any other marketing, and what I call referifying it so it works in great collaboration and really works well together with your referral marketing strategy. And our 8th element of a reliable stream of referrals by building a referral-based business is, of course, you need to have a plan. So the eighth element is your referral marketing plan. This is where we put all these elements together. What is your message? Who are you giving your message to? Who are the people? What are the activities you're going to do with those people? What else do they need to know to be able to send you that great business? What other ways are we going to get the word out about our business and grow our network and be able to give more to the people who we know and care about? So having a plan is really important in business, in life. I always think if we know where we're going, we'll have a much greater likelihood of getting there. So let's put that referral marketing plan in place so it's easy to take those steps and build that referral-based business. Hey, if you want to know more about these 8 elements, I've got a free gift for you. It's my Referrals to Riches Playbook. And in this playbook, I outline all 8 of those elements to building a business based on referrals and relationships. And it's more than just those 8 elements. You're going to get all those supporting ideas that I shared about as well. So this is a great resource and a free gift to you. So thank you for listening, and click the link below and let's stay connected and stay referring.